Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create white background photos using PhotoRoom. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure that you are logged in with that account. Within the home page, you can just tap on the Start from Photo. Now select the photo that you want to edit from your gallery. As soon as you choose your photo, PhotoRoom automatically removes the background. After that, you will be taken to a screen with different sections like suggested edits, edit with AI and classics. In the classics section, you can see preview options like white, black, transparent and original image. Tap on the white background preview. When you tap the white preview, PhotoRoom automatically open the editor. Here, your subject is already placed on a clean white background. If needed, you can just tap on the background to fine auto-tune the white color or use erase. Then after everything looks good, tap on the save, then close design. Now your photo will be saved in your device, and that's how you can create white background photos using PhotoRoom in just a few quick steps. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more tutorials of it.